And welcome back to the Travelling Bear with Stu Bear as we keep on travelling around. So let's find out the location of this campsite. It's in the heart of the beautiful New Forest in Hampshire. The campsite's called Danewood on Sway Road near New Milton, but as usual the grid reference and contact details are under the video. If you've got dogs, then this site is perfect because they have this great dog walking area. The site, it is close to the road and you do get a little bit of road noise, but that, hey, didn't bother us at all. Stay tuned because Stu Bear is going to show us around the site and we'll take to the air with some great drone footage, and if you stay to the end of the video, we got a special offer at the very end. So keep watching. And welcome back to the channel with Stu Bear on the Travelling Bear. And today, found a great little campsite. It's the Caravan. And as you can see, it's the Caravan and Motorhome Club. It's a CL site, meaning they take 5 vans. So let's go through. When I started the video off, there's a pub just opposite. It's called The Plough. And as usual, all of the information about the location and everything else, it's underneath the video. So you've got the grid reference and the name and everything else. So we'll tell you more about that just a little later. But anyway, you literally come through the gate. It is fairly narrow. So if you've got a long, wide motorhome like ours, there's 2 people over there. Let's have a quick word with them. There we go, there's Teresa. And there's Jasmine. Oh boy, is Jasmine having a great time as always. Hey? And there she is. There we go. So let's go round the actual campsite and show you what's what. Right, so I believe it's a 5 van site because it's a CL. They've got electric, so plenty of electric points all the way round. It's the beginning of July, so the main holiday season, I suppose, hasn't really started. But hey, that's why I like to get away at this time of year. We're in the New Forest anyway, and we'll show you a little bit more. There's a tap, obviously, to fill up with your water. What we did, we just drove over here, put the hose pipe on, and away we went. Okay, let's go a little bit further around. Don't forget, further in the video, you'll be able to see the drone footage that we've taken, and it is a stunning location. The best part of this is they've got a great dog walking area, so we'll be showing you that as well just a little bit later, but we'll show you what else they have here. Down here you will see the area for doing the chemical toilet. So that's the chemical toilet. Also we have the showers as well, toilets. It's great. It's got a little bit of everything. Sounding a little bit out of breath there, Mr. Stu Bear. Well, we're going to take to the skies right now so you can really appreciate this great location on this camping CL site. Stay with us though, as we told you earlier, we've got a great special offer, especially for you tea lovers, at the end of this video.
Hi, it's Stu Bear from the Travelling Bear YouTube channel, and as a big thanks for everybody watching the videos and subscribing, we've got a great offer for you. It's from the Kent and Sussex Tea and Coffee Company, and for all you great viewers, you can get 15% off every single order. All you need to do is just at the checkout use the code, and that code is CAMPING, CAMPING. It's all uppercase, and the link is underneath the video right now. So enjoy the tea and keep on enjoying watching Travelling Bear with Stu Bear. Welcome along to our brand new YouTube channel, The Travelling Bear with Stu Bear. We'll be taking you to some amazing locations while we travel around. We have scenic videos with relaxing music, cycling adventures, camping locations, and some great documentaries, plus lots more. So join us on The Travelling Bear with Stu Bear YouTube channel and subscribe for free right now.